Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this. I said in part 1 I was going to go do something different with it. Adding colors, no big deal. But I started thinking, if you've never done it 3D engraving, this might be a good one. So let me take the Smart Fill tool and make a new item. Here's kind of the secret to that, to make these match. To make them, so that one's good. Now we need to hit the plus key on the keyboard and go a negative 30 degrees. No, I'm sorry, a negative 60. And what that did, that allows us to snap to here. Now, if I was going to do a 3D engraving, I'd want to do all these first. So then I'm going to just Control D and make a duplicate and put the next one right there, and then Control D, Control D, Control D. And I would possibly do, group them together, and I would possibly get that node right there and have it snap to that node. You've got to really have a node or something to snap to. And if you did a lot of these, then we're going to ungroup them all. And their hairlines, I need them a little bit thicker than a hairline. Just 0.07, because now we're going to contour them like you would to a 3D effect. And I think I might even run this later today. So you can see we've got individuals. So I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour to the inside, 0.001. I'm actually going to go with a gray instead of that white. Oh, I don't know why Corel does that sometimes. And I'm going to have to, so I need RGB and I need a gray. There we go. So I'm just going to back up here on this one. Well, it actually did it, but now I'm ready to go. So I can click that one, hit apply. You'd want to do, it would be really hard to snap to the contour. You could possibly do it. And this is going to take a little bit of time because Corel's doing a lot of stuff. As a matter of fact, I might just do a little, and whenever you do something like this, just do a small section. Don't do anything huge in case it doesn't come out the way you think. I'm going to do one more. If you ran, I don't know about all lasers, but my Epilogue laser has a 3D printer driver that you print in 3D. And whenever you do something like this, especially with that driver, let me select all these and move them out of the way. And I apologize, I've never had a laser hooked up to this computer. You want to change it to a bitmap, convert it to a bitmap. I do not know why. And go grayscale. Looking at them side by side, you can't really tell anything different, but it fuzzes it up a little bit. It makes those lines of the contour not quite as sharp. So it just kind of blends it all together and see how long it's taken. But I might even just run these 5. And if I do and it comes out, I'll make another video. Hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.